I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling USB tethering on your phone because the Xbox One cannot natively act as a USB client for hotspots. Connect the phone to a Windows PC first if your router needs driver mediation, but you can also connect directly to the Xbox via a compatible USB cable. Once connected, enable USB tethering in your phone's network settings so the phone routes mobile data over USB. Make sure the phone stays unlocked and screen on while the link initializes. Now you configure the Xbox network so it accepts the tethered connection. Go to Settings, then Network Settings. Look for a new wired network if the phone exposes Ethernet over USB. If the Xbox shows no USB network, use a Windows PC as a bridge. Enable internet connection sharing on the PC's USB network adapter and connect the PC to Xbox with Ethernet. Once done, restart the Xbox network test to confirm IP and DNS assignment from the tethered link. Finish by running the Xbox One network connection test to verify online services and NAT type. If the Xbox fails to get an IP address, disconnect and reconnect the USB tether, then reboot the phone and Xbox. Make sure mobile data is allowed for tethering and that no VPN on the phone blocks traffic. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see frequent drops, use a powered USB hub or bridge via a PC with internet connection, sharing to stabilize the link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.